In the final minigame of the beginner's series, we make a fishing game. When the hook comes down, if it touches any fishes, the fish is catched. Duplicate this template scene. We want to create something like a water. Change its color and opacity. Let's make a fish with the sprites we have. Imagine this is a hook. Add Circle Collider 2D. And Box Collider to the fish. Give it Fish tag. Add LineRenderer to Anchor. It resembles the fishing line or thread. For material, you can give default line. Change the width as well. We make the fish a prefab. Now let's make a script for fish, fish spawner and hook. When the fishes are spawned, they just move to right direction. When they reach the screen edge, you can bring them back to the start point. In fish spawner code, get the fish prefab and define min and max y. We need a spawn rate to say at what interval the fish can spawn. We use invoke repeating in a start function, so a method can be repeated over and over to the end. In a spawn fish function, the height is randomly selected. Then we get the position for fixed x value and random y. Then the fishes are instantiated. In hook script, we define its movement, speed, and the depth it can go down. We need the flag to see if it is going down or not. As we have LineRenderer, we need to define it in a start function. The start position is where the hook is already in the scene. In the update function, we check if we have pressed a space key, the flag is false to prevent spamming, and the position of the hook is in a start point, then it means that it is allowed to go down. So if it is true, it keeps going down until it reaches the max depth. Then is going down is false. And then, as its y is less than the start point y, it has to return upward. For the fish line, its first tip is on the start position of the hook and the other on the hook itself. If the hook touches anything with fish tag, then that fish is destroyed. You can add a score adding function as well. Now give each game object their own code. Make fish collider is triggered. As you see, the line width is too much, so let's decrease it. Also change the layer order if you want. As we have is trigger in our code, so let's give a rigid body to the hook, but make it kinematic to eliminate physics effect like gravity. The code works fine, but let's change anchor position of the hook, because LineRenderer starts from that point. Also correct the collider position. You can give fishes a certain lifetime so when they are off screen, they are destroyed. And here is the result. Thanks for watching.